happened?
He's trying to blow out my
Hey,
candle.
Judy.
Stella.
Hey, come here, boy. Come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come here.
Come on. You blow my candle?
Come here. What's your problem?
Blow.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yay! Rocio's 24th birthday. She's approaching her mid-20s.
Alright, okay. Just sit down. Have a seat right there.
Then it'll be late 20s.
I'm going to talk to Abby too. Do you want some ice cream?
You need what, sir?
Sit down. We're going to do some ice cream. Sit down.
Bye. Say hi.
Hi. You get the camera pointing at, not me, and all that.
It's recording.
Oh.